Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet P3015 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First of all, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, I type HP LaserJet P3015 printer driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Here we find our printer name. Open the first link. Official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name and here we find our operating system and the bit. If his bit is not right or the operating system is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Here select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 64-bit if your machine is 64-bit. If 32-bit, then select Windows 10 32-bit. Click on your bit and the Windows, and after that click on the update. It's refresh your page or the refresh this box. After that scroll down. Here we find many options. We need one option, that is driver universal printer driver. Select this, check this, expand it, and here we find HP universal printer driver for Windows PostScript or this second option. These two drivers are working for us. First of all, what is this universal printer driver? All old Windows or HP printers are work with this universal printer drivers all, and these are the universal printer drivers for our old Windows printer. It's work on the all HP printers. We are going to install it. Go to the first link or the second. I go with the first. I click on the download. It's redirect you to the another web page, and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. And download is complete in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our setup file, and this setup file is a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on the OK. New folder is created on the desktop. Unzip folder, double click on it, and here we find our drivers. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up in printers and scanner. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Close it. Next step is add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option and click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you find port name .4_001 HP printer device HP, then select that HP printer. If you not find any HP port, then next option is USB. Select any USB port that you want, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Click on the next. Click on have a disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our extracted folder. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contains same driver. Select any file and click on open. Click on OK. Here we find HP universal printing PS and the PS with the version number. Select any one that you want. I select first. You can also select second and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give them my printer name HP LaserJet P3015. You can give any name that you like. Click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take less than few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds. Our printer is installed. If you want to share in the network, then last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option, and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finished. Next option is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet P3015, that means your printer is properly working and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.